Alright, we've got 4 of the panels up on the roof, getting ready to install the 5th panel. So we're about 860 watts right now, and well, let me show you what the meter looks like with 860 watts actually working. Now eventually that's going to go all the way down, and there'll be 17 panels all the way across. So yeah, alright, that's all going to be solar panels, but for right now we've got 4 of them, and we're getting ready to add a 5th one later on today. But for 4 860 watts, let me show you something cool. Alright, right now we have 2 shop refrigerators on, all the security cameras are on, all that stuff is still up and going, and as you can see, the meter's going backwards. Now, how awesome of a sight is that? So once I get the other panel up there, should be about 1075 watts, and it'll really be going backwards pretty good. We've been switching over the shop lights to LED, and then by the time we switch out to the other 7, well, it'd be 17 in all, about 3655 watts. Yeah, we'll be doing really good. That should cut the power bill at the shop in half. Anyways, just want to show you guys my meter going backwards. Great sight, I can't even tell you. Just puts a giant smile on my face. But anyways, that's just 860 watts, and it's still going backwards. Stay tuned for a lot more of the solar videos, the install videos, and a lot of solar panels and off-grid and grid tie systems all explained. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned for a lot more videos for the solar.